A brief introduction about myself. I will use my LinkedIn profile and my resume website to introduce myself. Okay. So my name is Tirada Vitarama. Um, this is my LinkedIn profile. Okay, so this is my LinkedIn profile. You can see my LinkedIn profile. My name is Tirada Vitarama. I'm 5D BIM quantity survey BIM specialist, and I'm the director of Tusker International Oman. So I have a couple of companies. First company is Technozaga City Private Limited in Sri Lanka, and this is my Oman company, Tusker International. So I have initiated a company in Oman. I will show you my resume website. Then I will briefly introduce myself. So this is a very good insight. So if you are a young quantity surveyor, instead of PDF resume, please create a digital resume. Then you can attract more people and you can go for more opportunities. So I will demonstrate with this resume website. So my name is Thilani Vitharama. I'm a researcher, writer, teacher, and 5D beam quantity survey especially. And this is me. And this is about me. Uh, I have graduated from Sir John Kadalal Defense University, and I have trained more than 1,500 quantity surveys up to now. So I have to change this, and I have involved in more than 30 projects up to now, and I have won a lot of awards, and I'm well capable of KB Cost 5D Beam software package, Revit, then AutoCAD, Costex, ArchiCAD, Microsoft packages and PlanSwift, Bluebeam Brew, and Costex. Uh, so this is my professional experience. As you can see, I'm country representative of Kibico software previously under Cloud International. So now I am education representative for this Middle East region. And currently I'm working as a director of Tusker International and Technosaga City Private Limited. So I have achieved all the sales goals year 2021 with this key because finding software. I think most of you, uh, most great number of students from University of Mora trained under me with this key because finding software, and some students went abroad and get prestigious careers. Um, and you can see this is my work experience. I worked as a project quantity survey in QServe Qatar. Before that, I worked as a project quantity survey in Link Engineering, and these are few information about me. And this is my project portfolio. As you can see, these are few 5D models I have prepared. With key because 5D beam software. So you can see this is famous Glowmark building. So you know you have visited this Glowmark building. So I have involved to prepare the BOQ for this particular supermarket chain, and this is IIHS building. So and I have completed one project, Bailey project. So the biggest upcoming project in Sri Lanka. Me and my student from University of Moroto, Dushan Costa, uh, uh, quantified all the reinforcement for this particular project, and Costa is very good, one of my best student, and I think he earned a lot of money out of it. And this is a few 3D models I have completed by using SketchUp and Revit, and this is my beam training. So I have trained lot of quantity surveys, I think around 1,500 up down, because I have trained more than 1,000 quantity surveys with this key because 5D beam software, and 320 with this keyword software all in one course. And I have trained more than 100 quantity surveys with Revit software, and I have conducted few courses for SketchUp and project management softwares as well. And you can see this is the lecture panel of University of Moratuwa. Chartered Quantity Surveyor Suranga Jayasena sir organized this particular session. So I have trained the lecture panel of University of Moratuwa. You can see Chartered QS Suranga Jayasena and Menaha Madam, Ashana, and many other lecturers you can see in this picture. And I have trained staff of Sunken Overseas started QS Tulisha Vijay is organized this particular event, and I have trained staff of VICM, XCOM, CCMPL, and lot other companies. And these are few of my personal achievements. So before I come to Oman, I was the country representative of this key because software. And with this key because software, I have helped a lot of companies and a lot of the students, especially companies like ICC, VICM, XCOM, CCMPL, ARQS, CMS, and a lot of companies get my uh, training. And you can see this is a completion of certificate for this ArchiCAD software. Before I come to Oman, I was a technical manager for ArchiCAD software, which is the lowest, which is the oldest building information modeling software in the world. And this is, I'm the VPPR, Vice President Public Relations at IQSSL Toastmaster Club, and I have won few awards to the Toastmaster Club. So if you want to improve your English speaking ability, you can join IQSSL Toastmaster Club and improve yourself. Then you can uh, go for more opportunities in the future. So I have played football, cricket, basketball during my campus life. So that's about me, and these are few testimonials I have received from prestigious people. So this is the general manager at the Golden Company, and this is Mrs. Direct County Reserve Kumudurangani, one of my student from my BIM batch. This is Miss Archana, and she is a PhD student in Hong Kong. This is one of my students, Mr. Terence Gunawardana. I think he is one of a lecturer of University of Porto, and this is Janahan Kumar Lingam. Then Ashraf Nawaz Qureshi, so he is a senior quantity surveyor at Saudi Bin Laden Company. So yes, I think you have got a brief understanding about myself. So I will share some presentations as well. Please give me a moment. Okay. So I think most of you all have uh, this knowledge because I have trained a lot of country surveys from University of Moratuwa with regards to this key because Friday view software and country surveys like Hirumal Kaushal, one of my best students from University of Moratuwa. So he has got his job based on this building information modeling uh, background, and he's very good student of mine. And Dulshan, uh, Demika, and Achint recently got a job in Soundstone. And I have trained a lot of students, Chapa, and recently this Ruchira Lakwal is very good student of mine from I think third year now he's doing the training. So I will further introduce myself because this is important. This is for the credibility. Okay, then you will believe what I say. Okay, so extremely sorry for this. Okay, I will quickly come back to the content of today's. Okay, before that, I have to introduce myself properly. So I will share my lecturer's profile. Okay, then I can show you my certifications and all. So yes, guys. So this is my regional representative certificate. Okay, so I'm with the regional technical representative of Cubicles 5D Beam software. And recently I have involved to solve this key because finding software for QServe Qatar as well. Okay, now they are expand their business to Saudi Arabian region. And if you are my key because student, okay, you will have very good opportunity. Okay, so QServe has purchased. Now they are implementing this key because 5D in Saudi Arabia, and their clients might purchase this software. Okay, so if you are my keep course student, okay, please stay in touch. Okay, and this is a CP decision I have done for IESL UAE. So this is Engineering Association of Sri Lankan County Service in UAE. So I have done one CP decision for building information modeling. Janaka Edrisinghe, Mr. Janaka Edrisinghe, senior county survey from Blair and Anderson UAE invited me to deliver this session. So he's the secretary of the club. And this is a CP decision I have done for SLQS OMA. So I think I am the youngest county surveyor did this for SLQS Oman. So I did this 2020 in 2000 year 2022 two. And this is CPD session I have done for Cyber Counter Survey Sri Lanka with regards to building information modeling. And this is the first ever building information modeling conference and BIM competition for quantity survey. So this is first ever quantity surveying competition. So we know uh, software engineers have separate competitions, civil engineers have separate competitions, but have separate competitions, but quantity surveys. So this is first ever uh, competition for quantity survey. So Johan Madusha from University of Moratuwa won this competition. So it is a highlight of his career. And Child Quantity Surveyor Suranga Jayasena attend to this particular event, and Child Quantity Surveyor Hasila Gunasekara also attend to this particular event. And this is CPT I have conducted for Institute of Quantity Survey Sri Lanka. I think you all know about this famous MEP program. So I did the digital quantification part for that MEP program. And this is CPT for Cyber Quantity Surveys again. And this is highlight of IQ Toastmaster Club. I am the VPPR and I have won a couple of awards to our club. At district level. And this is training session done for lecturers at University of Moratuwa. And this is training for VICM consultants. This is physical session for IJVR valuation firm. And this is Sunken Overseas. And this is CCMPL. And I have trained almost all the consultancy firms in Sri Lanka, including Sri Lanka, ICC, QServe, CLAG, SEC, Toonstone, VForm, Value Management Services. A lot of quality surveys trained under me. And this is Kipikos 5DB online training. And this is some physical training I have done in Oman. Veteran content service like Bandula, Balasuri, and Mr. Milan Daswatta attend to these sessions. And this is QA software all-in-one first batch. 110 students participated for this particular lecture series, including Johan Madusha, Mr. Achinta, um, and lot other Vasam Bimukti from University of Moratuwa, then Himasha Rashmika, and lot other quantity surveys from University of Moratuwa. And this is finally a BIM module for KDU students. This is my BIM with Revit and Navisworks course. So I have organized a competition among the students, and I have given them some valuable prizes for their achievements. So that's it. So that's about me. And before I move on to this digitalization and content reserving software demonstration, I would like to invite a few of my students to share their experience with the course. මම ඉන්වයිට් කරන්න කැමති මේ මගේ ස්ටුඩන්ට්ස් ලා කියවදෙනෙක් ඉන්න සෙෂන් එකේ ඒ කට්ටියගේ එක්ස්පීරියන්ස් එක කොහොමද කියලා මේ සෙෂන් එකේ යොහන් කොහොමද වගේ එක්ස්පීරියන්ස් එක QA software වලින් අනේ කොහොමද වාට හෙල්ප් කරේ මේ දේවල් ඉගෙන ගන්න.
ඇත්තටම ඉස්සෙල්ලා මම ස්තුතිවන්ත වෙන්න ඕනේ තියෙන අයියට මේ කෝස් එක පටන් ගත්තට මොකෝ මේ කෝස් එක QS ලාට ගොඩක් වටිනා කෝස් එකක්. softwares තුනක්ම මේ උගන්වනවා. ඉතින් මුලින්ම QS කෙනෙක් විදියට අපිට basically ඕනේ වෙන්නේ measurement. සාමාන්‍ය QS කෙනෙක්ගේ basic job එක තමයි measurement ගන්න එක. ඉතින් මේ softwares තුන ඉතාමත් වැදගත් softwares තුනක්. අනිත් එක ඉතින් අයියා උගන්වන විදිය බැලුවම මේ කියන්නේ කිසිම බෝරින් ගතියක් නැහැ. අපිව කොච්චර රෑ වෙනකන් ලෙක්චර්ස් තිබ්බත් මේ අපිට ඒක කිසිම බෝරින් එකක් නැහැ. හොඳට කරා. එතකොට හැමෝම අතර කම්පිටිෂන් එකක් තිබ්බා. එතකොට අපිට කිසිම දෙයක් මිස් වුණේ නැහැ. කාට හරි ප්‍රශ්නයක් ආවත් ඒක ස්ක්‍රීන් එකට ෂෙයා කරලා හරි හැම එක්කෙනාටම ඒක මේ විසඳ ගන්න පුළුවන් වෙනවා. ඊට අමතරව එතකොට කතා කරන්න ගත්තොත් එහෙම ඕන කෙනෙක්ට ඒ කියන්නේ QA softwares වලට අමතරව තිල්න අය තව හැමෝටම සපෝටිව් ඒ කියන්නේ QS වලට අමතරව තමන්ට ඕන ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා නම් අය කතා කරන්න පුළුවන් QS related ප්‍රශ්න. එතකොට ඒ වගේ තමයි ඉතින් softwares ටික හොඳටම අයියා කරා. ඒකට ඉස්සෙල්ලා අයියට ගොඩක් ස්තුතිවන්ත වෙනවා.
Thank you, Johan. Thank you very much. Johan is one of my very best student from University of Moratuwa, and he's the winner of this BIM competition organized by John Cotterell Defense University. and best of luck for his future. And I would like to invite Chapa Disanayaka. Chapa is one of my students from University of Morato. I think currently working as a quantity survey in XCOM and very talented student. Chapa මේ ඔයාගේ experience එක කොහොමද? ඔයාගේ විශේෂයෙන් කොහොමද job එකේදී මේක ඕනි වුණේ ඔයාගේ career එක ඉස්සරහට යද්දී?
ඔය ඇත්තටම කියන්න ඕනේ thank you මෙහෙම course එකක් පටන් ගත්තට. ඇත්තට මට job එකට යද්දී main requirement එක උනේ plan shift costex mainly. ඒ ඇරුණාම අපිට මේ course එකේදී bluebeam software එකත් course එකේ include මට අර software දෙක ඇත්තටම මේ මට main requirement එකක් වුණා මේ job එක ගන්න. දිගටම job එකේදී අපි use කරන්නේ ඒ softwares දෙක. ඒ කෝස් එකේදී ඒ විශේෂම දේ කියන්න ඕනේ නංගිලා මාලිලාට අපිට තියෙන පොඩිම ප්‍රශ්නයක් වුණා අයියගෙන් අහලා දැනගන්න පුළුවන් ඒ opportunity එක ගන්න. අනිතක දැන් QS ලා විදියට ඉස්සරහට යද්දී දැන් ලංකාවේ තත්ත්වෙත් එක්ක contractor QS ලට වඩා consultant පැත්තට move වෙනවා වැඩි ඇත්තටම. එතකොට software දැනුම කියන එක QS කෙනෙක්ට අත්‍යවශ්‍ය වෙනවා. ඒ නිසා මේක ඇත්තටම රෙකමන්ඩ් කරන්න පුළුවන් කෝස් එකක්. මොකද ඒ කෝස් කන්ටෙන්ට් එක ඒක උගන්වන ගුරුවරයා එතකොට ඒ අරුණාම ඒකේ තියෙන ඇත්තටම ඒකේ වැලියු එක හරිම වැඩි මේ කාලෙත් එක්ක. ඒ නිසා මේකෙන් උපරිම ප්‍රයෝජන ගන්න කියනවා.
Hi, thank you very much, Shafa. මේ තව මගේ ෂෙයාර් කෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා මේ රුචිර ලක්මාල්. රුචිර මේ වගේ ගොඩක් තරුණ ස්ටුඩන්ට් කෙනෙක්. එයා මේ මාත් එක්ක ගොඩක් වැඩ කරලා තියෙනවා දැන්. ඒ කියන්නේ quantity survey වලට අමතරව අපි වෙන ඒ කියන්නේ business පැත්ත ගැනත් ගොඩක් අපි සමහරවිට ඩිස්කස් කරනවා. මට රුචිර හම්බ වෙච්ච එකත් ගොඩක් හොඳයි. ඒ කියන්නේ රුචිර මේ ගොඩක් ඒ කියන්නේ හැම දෙයකම දක්ෂයි. මේ රුචිර වාගේ අත්දැකීම මොකද? ඒ කියන්නේ young quantity survey කෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා. දැන් රුචිර second year එකයි third year එකයි join වෙන්නේ වැඩේට.
ඔවයි මේ මම මුලින් කියන්න ඕනි මම මුලින්ම ජොයින් වුණේ අයියාගේ මේ කිපිකොස්ට් කෝස් එකට. ඊට පස්සේ ඒක කර කර ඉදි තමයි අයියා අර කොහමද ඒකෙත් කතා වුණා අපි කොස්ටෙක්ස් ප්ලෑන් ෂිප් ගැන එහෙම මේ කෝස් එක කරන අතරදී ඒත් එක්කම තමයි අයියා ඒකත් පටන් ගත්තේ. ඒතකොට මම ඒක මේ QA software all in 3 all in one කෝස් එකට ජොයින් වුණා. මේ ඇත්තටම කියන්න ඕනි මේ කිපි කොස්ට් එක එහෙම කරද්දි මුලින් මේ ගොඩක් ප්‍රශ්න ආවා. ඒ ප්‍රශ්න අයියා සමහර දවස්වල රෑ 11ට 11:00ට ඔය වගේ මහ රෑත් මාත් එක්ක මීටින් කරන් එකින් එක කියලා දුන්නා. ඒවා සෑහෙන වටිනවා. කියන්නේ අර තේරෙන්නේ නැති දෙයක් එහෙම අර වෙන කෝස් වල එහෙම කියලා දෙන්නේ නැහනේ. මේකේ තියෙන විශේෂත්වය ඒක තමයි මේ දැන් මම ට්‍රේනින් එකේ ඉන්නේ. එතකොට මේ ට්‍රේනින් කරන තැනත් කන්සල්ටන්ට් විදිහට ට්‍රේනින් කරද්දි ප්ලෑන්ෂිප් යූස් වෙනවා. ඒතර අයියා කියලා දුන්න ට්‍රික්ස් ඉක්මනට මෙෂර් කරන හැටි ඒවා සෑහෙන වටිනවා. මේ දැන් ට්‍රේනින් එකේදී මට ඒවා යූස් වුණා. ඒතර ඒවා සෑහෙන වටින දේවල්. මේ ඉතින් ඔයාලටත් කියන්න තියෙන්නේ මේ කොහොම හරි මේක කරගන්න හොඳට ඕනි දෙයක් තියෙන අයගෙන් අහන්න. ඕනි වෙලාවක උදව් කරයි. ඒ වගේම QS related නැති අනිත් දේවල් බිස්නස් පැත්ත අයියා සමහරලාට කෝස් එක අතරදී නියම මොටිවේෂන් එකක් දෙනවා. ඒක පට්ට මේ වගේ සෑහෙන දේවල් වලට වෙන දේවලුත් ලැබෙයි. හින්දා මට කියන්න තියෙන්නේ මේ හැමෝම කෝස් එක කරන්න. සුපිරි කෝස් එකක්. ඒක තමයි මට කියන්න තියෙන්නේ.
Okay, thank you very much, Rajira. ඉතාම හොඳ මේ ඉන්සයිට්ස් ටිකක් ෂෙයා කරා. මේක අපි මේ ඒ කියන්නේ දැන් ඇත්තටම මම කෝස් එක ඩිසයින් කරේ ඒ කියන්නේ මම දැක්ක ඉන්ඩස්ට්‍රි එකේ ගොඩක් ඒ කියන්නේ කොස්ටෙක්ස් වල කෝස් එකක් තිබ්බ. ඇත්තටම මම කියනවා ඔයාලට මම මේ කෝස් එක ඩිසයින් කරපු මොටිවේෂන් මොකද මගේ බෑග්ග්‍රවුන්ඩ් එක කියන්නේ බිල්ඩින් ඉන්ෆර්මේෂන් මොඩලින් පැත්තෙන්. මම දැක්කා මේ 54000 වලට වගේ කොස්ටෙක්ස් වලට කෝස් එකක් ඩිසයින් කරලා තියෙනවා. ඊට පස්සේ මම කල්පනා කරා මේක affordable නැහැ. ඒ කියන්නේ ලංකාවේ ක්‍රයිසිස් එකේ ඒ කියන්නේ ජොබ්ස් කරන මිඩල් ඊස්ට් වල ඉන්න quantity surveyors ලට වගේ මේක affordable නැත්නම් ලංකාවේ සාමාන්‍ය consultancy firm එකක contractor firm එකක එක්කෙනෙක්ගේ monthly salary එකෙන් භාගයක් ඒ කියන්නේ ලොකු percentage එකක් මේ course fee එක. ඊට පස්සේ තමයි මම motivate උනේ මේක කරන්න ඕනේ ලංකාවේ quantity surveyors. මොකද මම දැකපු දෙයක් තමයි ඕමාන් වල සහ Middle East වල ගොඩක් මගේ students because students අතර කතා කරද්දී ඒකට ලොකු lacking එකක් තමයි මේ software knowledge එක. ඒ lacking එක නිසා අපේ market එක වෙන රටවල් වල country service ලා ගන්නවා. ගොඩක් Philippines, Indian, Pakistan country service ලා ගන්නවා. එතකොට තමයි මම motivate උනේ මේ course එක design කරන්න. ඊට පස්සේ මම මේක design කරද්දී මම costex වලට විතරක් නෙමෙයි අනිත් දෙකත් කරන්න ඕනේ කියලා මම හිතුවා. මොකද මේ softwares තුන knowledge එක අරගෙන ආවොත් Middle East වලට ඇත්තටම ඉතාම ලේසි වෙයි job එකක් හොයාගන්න. මොකද ළඟදිත් මගේ ස්ටුඩන්ට් කෙනෙක් KDV ගේ ස්ටුඩන්ට් කෙනෙක් මම හිතන්නේ එයා චයිනා රේල්වේ එකට ගිහින් ඊට පස්සේ යාමට පර්සනලි කිව්වා මේ කීබි කොස්ට් එකයි ප්ලෑන් shift එකයි යට උමනා වුණා කියලා ඩිමොන්ස්ට්‍රේට් කරන්න තිබ්බා කියලා ජොබ් එකට යදී චයිනා රේල්වේස් ඒ විදිහට දැන් so you are young quantity surveyors okay so you have to start from the basic level so measurement is the most important part when you start your career so if you learn this plan shift software bluebeam review software costex software so it will be very very important for to you to go for your first job. Okay, so I think this content, this knowledge will be valiant for you. Okay, so please engage with me. Now I'm going to demonstrate these softwares to you all. Okay, so this will be very, very important. So please engage with me throughout the session. So this will be amazing experience to you all. Okay, I will share my screen. Then I will show you. I will explain you about the digitalization. Then I will move to digital softwares. Okay, so I will share my screen. Okay. So this is not a regular lecture. So this is life-changing content. Okay. So if you learn this software properly, okay, then it will change your career. So digitalization and new technology is available in the construction industry. Okay. So without explaining all the theories, okay, I will straight come back to this example for digital transformation. Okay, so this is very practical. Then you will understand the digitalization better with these examples. Okay, we all have used digital banking. Okay, so we use these online banking systems and we use these Visa cards. Okay, so this is digitalization related to banking sector. So banking sector almost digitalized. Then socializing, we know Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter. So lot of social media platforms available in the world. Okay, socializing also now almost digitalized. Okay, so we all have social media accounts. Okay, so but among these social media platform, I prefer LinkedIn platform. Okay, so other platforms are at a time waste. So if you watch a movie called Digital Dilemma, you can understand the dark side of this digital socializing. And this is the transportation industry. Transportation industry also fully digitalized. So this is also very important. If you go to countries like China, Japan, okay, their transportation industry has fully digitalized. And this is retail industry. Retail industry also fully digitalized. Now, if you go to a retail shop, you can experience this even in Sri Lanka. If you go one call face, you can experience this very easily. And the construction industry, our industry. Okay, so our industry also have fully digitalized. So with building information modeling, with digital softwares, okay, so we can use lot of digital elements in the construction industry as well. And then I will explain about physical building and virtual building. So what is physical building? Okay, architects and other construction professionals, other stakeholders get together and design the building in a physical scenario. Okay, then they do the pre-construction. Okay, pre-construction, you know, in pre-construction you do pre-qualification, tendering. Okay, then BOQ preparation. So you do all those things in the pre-construction. Then after that, we will start the construction in the physical scenario. After finishing the construction, we will do the maintenance part. So this is the physical building. Okay, so what is virtual building? Okay, in virtual scenario, we collaboratively design. Okay, so building information modeling is the best example for this. Okay, so all the stakeholders gather in a virtual platform and share insights among each other and create the design in a collaborative manner in this building information modeling platform. Okay, then they will do virtual pre-construction. The best example for this virtual pre-construction is what? E-tendering. Okay, then after that, they will do virtual construction. Okay, they can simulate a construction project in a virtual platform. So if you know about this 4D BIM, so you can have a very good understanding about this virtual construction. Then after finishing the virtual construction, okay, so if you can, if you use this Revit software or ArchiCAD software, you can create a 3D building virtually very easily. Okay, then after that, you can do virtual maintenance. So uh, in this virtual maintenance, you can use concepts like digital twine. Okay, so you can create a digital model and you can control your physical asset by that digital model. Okay, so it is very important. So if you willing to do research on this virtual maintainer, so this digital twine, so it is very good research area. So I have helped lot of quantity surveys in the University of Mora with their final year research. So when it comes to the final year research, a lot of quantity surveys contacting me for their uh, interviews. So I have given a lot of interviews. I think I have given interviews for some of you as well. I don't know. Then you can do the so that is a virtual building. So virtual building basically a digital replica of this physical asset. Okay, so you can use this virtual building to make important decisions about this physical building. So I think you have got a very good understanding about physical building and virtual building. Then let's talk about construction industry. According to McKinsey 2015, construction industry is the lowest digitalized sector. Okay, over past 2 decades, construction productivity has grown only 1%. Okay, what is the reason behind it? Okay, so construction industry is slowly adapting to this digitalization. So as a quantity survey, as a construction professionals, so we have huge obligation to contribute as construction professionals for our industry to improve our industry. Okay, so it is very important. Construction industry is the most collaborative yet the most fragmented industry in the world. Okay, so you have to understand those things. Then what are the examples for technologies used in construction industry? Okay, virtual reality. So this is very interesting area. Okay, so when it comes to virtual reality, I will show you a small example. Okay, so I will join this meeting via my mobile phone and I will show you about this uh, virtual reality. Okay, so then you can understand the importance of this virtual reality. So I will look into this meeting by using my mobile phone. Okay. Okay. Now I will share my screen. Okay, I will share my screen. Now, now you all can see my screen. So I will go to my mobile phone and I will open this BMX software. Then I will click on this building. Then I will click on this building again. So this is a digital building. Okay, so virtual reality is so you know virtual reality glasses and you know virtual reality games. Okay, but this is a application of virtual reality in construction sector. So I will click on this small icon. Then I can go through this building by my mobile phone. Okay, you can see like this. You can go through the building I will enter into the building. Okay, now I can see inside the building as a person. And I will go here and there. Okay, I can go to the top. So I'm not a big fan of computer games like PUBG, but I can still manage this somehow. Okay, this is the virtual building. Then I will zoom out. Okay, so the most important part is you can click on this wall and click on this information, and you can get all the information about this building: wall ID, width, height, all the quantities. Then this is next level. Okay, so not only this 3D view, but also you can get plan views, elevation views of this particular building. So this is what we have to adapt. So I think you have got very good understanding about virtual reality, application of virtual reality. Uh, yes, thank you. Okay, I think you have got very good understanding about this. I think I'm audible. So if you have any question regarding that, please feel free to ask. Okay. So okay, I will share my screen again. So this is augmented reality. You can see augmented reality is a combination of virtual reality and physical assets. So you can create a uh, virtual building in the physical scenario by using this augmented reality. So this is also very important. And this is artificial intelligence. I will explain you the practicality of this artificial intelligence. Okay. Okay, so you can use this artificial intelligence for many things. So even you can use artificial intelligence for uh, cash flow forecasting and all other things. And this is very important. So in this example, you can run a drone on top of this construction site by using artificial intelligence. You can identify those who are wearing helmets, those who are not wearing helmets, and all. And this is practical example for artificial intelligence and smart wearables. Okay, so smart wearables also using construction industry. So you can monitor fatigue, prevent microsleep, detect collisions with these smart hats. So this is also very important for construction professionals. And the 3D printing, this is also very good research area. So China has used this 3D printing very much in their construction industry. Glodden also contributed for that as well. And this is robotic technology. And recently I have a chat with Mr. Frank from Global International. He mentioned that they are in China, the average age of workforce is 60. Okay, they are young construction workers reluctant to come to construction sites. So because of that, they have introduced this robotic technology. So hopefully, if they start this Port City project, they will implement this technology in Port City project as well. Then drone technology. So you can in Sri Lanka, a lot of people use this drone technology, especially for wedding photography, then traveling. Okay, but you can use this drone technology efficiently and effectively in construction sector. So you can run a drone on top of construction site. Even you can run drone inside construction building and capture images and create convert them to 3D models as well. So building information modeling is also very good uh, technology used in construction industry. Okay, so that's about digitalization. Now I'm going to demonstrate about these digital softwares, Costex, Bluebeam, and Planswip. So this will be a game-changing content. Okay, so uh, please share this link with your friends. Okay, so then they can join and enjoy this demonstration. So this will be a very interesting demonstration for you. Okay, uh, I will close this and I will go to my next presentation. So this is QS software all in one. Okay, so you will enjoy this presentation definitely. What is digital quantification? Okay, first we will get a very good understanding about the manual quantification. 20-30 years back, we did all the quantifications manually. We use these manual scales and we tabulate numbers manually, and then we entered those numbers in the physical sheets and did cost estimations. Okay, it's very boring and time taken. And then we come to this AutoCAD plus Excel era. We take off quantities by using these AutoCAD software. Then we manually enter those quantities in the Excel sheet. Okay, so this is also very inefficient. So because of the inefficient, see, uh, the construction professionals and the other entities introduce these quantity takeoff softwares like Bluebeam, PlanSwift, and Costex. Okay, so first software is Bluebeam Review. I think most of you haven't heard about this Bluebeam Review software, but this Bluebeam Review software takes 2.6% of market share among construction software available in the world. Would you believe it? Okay, so this is very interesting software. I will demonstrate this software in this session, so you will enjoy definitely. And the Costex software. Costex software has 9 offices all over the world and more than 90 countries using this Costex software, and they have sold 16,000 licenses up to now. Okay, so this is very important. So I have trained a lot of quantity surveyors in New Zealand, Australia, Canada, and UK quantity surveyors like Mr. Basnaika and Mr. Kapila Marasinghe. Mrs. Nishani, and Mr. Ukmal Pereira. Okay, so those are veteran quantity surveyors who have more than 20 years of experience. So they have trained under me with regards to this Costex software, PlanSwift and Bluebeam. And UK quantity surveyors like Asim Lakmal Bandar, Mr. Gayan Pereira. So you can go to their LinkedIn profiles and get understanding about them. Okay, they have more than 15 years of experience. I think Gayan has, I think, more than 20 years of experience. And I have trained a lot of quantity surveyors in Australia as well. Mrs. Geeta Mali. So she is the wife of one of your senior, Mr. Sudat. He is a RICS mentor. And Roshan and Ramesha, then Mr. Rupan Deshapriya. So those are the veteran quantity surveyors trained under me from Australia. So they mentioned that they are using this Costex software in those countries. Okay, so if you want to go Australia, New Zealand, Canada, and UK, and if you want to obtain a construction related job, okay, quantity surveying related job, you must learn these softwares. Okay, you must. And the PlanSwift software. So this is a very interesting software. Okay, more than 60 countries using this PlanSwift software. They have sold more than 60,000 licenses up to now. They have customers all over the world. Okay, so this is very interesting software. So I think you will enjoy this software as well. And benefits of PlanSwift. So there are many benefits you can see. User friendliness, accurate estimation, and there are a lot of benefits of this PlanSwift software. And there are a lot of benefits of this Bluebeam Field software as well. So effective drawing management, mark up the drawing. So there are plenty of benefits, and especially you can use this Bluebeam software with the building information modeling software like ArchiCAD and Revit. And benefit of Costex software. So this is the most popular quantity surveying software in the world. Okay, lot of quantity surveyors using this software, especially in Middle East region and Saudi Arabia region and Australia, New Zealand, Canada, and UK. So now quantity surveyors have lot of opportunities in Saudi Arabia. Okay, Dubai companies also uh, implementing their businesses in Saudi Arabia due to the huge boom of the construction. So NEOM project has started. Okay, this is very important because now they have started the pre-contract activities. Okay, so there will be lot of opportunities for pre-contract quantity surveyor. If you want to become a pre-contract quantity surveyors, you have to get familiar with these technologies, especially this Costex software, Bluebeam and PlanSwift. Okay, so based on these qualifications, you can obtain a job in Dubai and Saudi Arabian region. Okay, so I have spoken to one of my students, Mr. Hirumal Kauchal, and he came with the issue, and I have resolved it for him. So Kio International in Dubai, so they are using this Costex software in the next brand new level. Okay, so this content, this uh, course will be very important for the development of your career. So now I will demonstrate the software. So I will open my PlanSwift software and I will give you a small demonstration. So this will be very interesting. Okay, PlanSwift. Okay, I think I know. So you guys are very good at academics. Okay, so you learn lot of things related to measurement and cost management and everything. Okay, but if you want to start your career, so you have to get familiar with the basics, basic measurements. Okay, so I think it's very important you to learn this software to go for your first job. Okay, then after that you can participate for APC uh, uh, programs, lectures, and you can develop yourself as a quantity surveyor. You can go to contract administration and lot other uh, areas. Okay, but you have to start your career as a measurement quantity surveyor. Especially, I strongly believe that you have to go to Middle East region and obtain a job. After that, spending for 3-4 years in the Middle East, you can earn a lot of money. Then you have to go to European country, Australia or New Zealand or Canada, and you have to get the PR from those countries. So this is very important because you don't still, I think people in Sri Lanka don't understand the financial situation of the country. Okay, so we අපි කියන්නේ අර අපාය ඉන්ටර්වල් එක කියලා අන්න ඒ වගේ සිටුේෂන් එකක ඉන්නේ මොකද අපි තාම ණය ගෙවන්න පටන් ගන්න නැහැ හරි තාමත් මිනිසුන්ට අමාරුයි බට් දැන් මිනිස්සු හිතනවා හරි අපි කම්ෆර්ටබල් කියලා අපි ණය ගෙවන්න පටන් ගත්ත ගමන් හරි ඉන්ෆ්ලේෂන් එක ආපහු වැඩි වෙනවා එතකොට ජීවත් වෙනවා වෙන එතකොට මිනිසුන්ට තේරෙනවා හරි ඒක නිසා මේක සුළුවෙන් තකන්න බෑ අපි හයි ඉන්ෆ්ලේෂන් ආවොත් එහෙම අපි ලංකාවේ හැම පවුලකින්ම එක්කෙනෙක් රටේ ඉන්න වෙනවා හරි හයි ඉන්ෆ්ලේෂන් ආපු රටවල් වල ස්ටඩි කරලා බලන්න ග්‍රීසිය ඊට පස්සේ ඔක්කොම සුබසාධක ආර්ථිකයක් තියෙන රටවල් ලංකාව වගේ සුබසාධක ආර්ථිකයක් කියන්නේ ෆ්‍රී এডুকেෂන් ෆ්‍රී හෙල්ත් ඒ වගේ තියෙන රටවල් ලිබියාව නෙමෙයි වෙනිසියුලාව ග්‍රීසිය හරි ඒ වගේ රටවල් වල ඉන්ෆ්ලේෂන් හයි සිම්බාබ්වේ හයි ඉන්ෆ්ලේෂන් එක ආවට පස්සේ හැම පවුලකම එක ළමයෙක් හරි කවුරු හරි පිට රටේ ඉඳන් තමයි යාළගේ පවුලට හෙල්ප් කරන්නේ සෝ මේක ඉතාලම වැදගත් හරි මම මේ කියන දේ හොඳට හිතර ගන්න. මොකද කොන්ට්‍රැක්ට් සර්විස් වල හොඳ ඔපචුනිටි එකක් තියෙනවා මිඩල් ඊස්ට් රීජන් එකට යන්න සහ එහෙන් ජොබ් එකක් ගන්න. ඊට පස්සේ ඒ කටියට හොඳ ඔපචුනිටි එකක් තියෙනවා යුරෝපියන් කන්ට්‍රි එකකට ගිහිලා PR ගන්න. මොකද මිඩල් ඊස්ට් වල ඔයාලට PR ගන්න බෑ. ඒකට ඔයාලට සල්ලි ඕනේ. මේ ඒ කියන්නේ යුරෝපියන් කන්ට්‍රි එකකට යන්න. ඒකට මම වෙනම සෙෂන්ස් කරලා තියෙනවා මගේ ඒ කන්ට්‍රීස් වල ඕස්ට්‍රේලියා නිව්සීලන්ඩ් UK වල ඉන්න මගේ ස්ටුඩන්ට්ස්ලව දාලා මම වෙනම සෙෂන්ස් කරලා තියෙනවා කොහොමද යන්නේ මොන වගේ සල්ලි ප්‍රමාණයක්ද අවශ්‍ය ඊට පස්සේ අපි කොහොමද ඇසෙට් පෙන්වන්නේ ඒ වගේ දේවල් මේ මම වෙනම සෙෂන් කරලා තියෙනවා මම ඒක දේමිකට එවන්නම් මම ඒක රෙකෝඩින් එක ඒක ඔයාලත් අතර ෂෙයා කරා එතකොට ඔයාලට ඒකෙන් ගොඩාක් ඉන්සයිට්ස් ගන්න පුළුවන් හරි මේ ඒක නිසා මේක Kodak serious hitan. Hari. Okay. So then I will start the demonstration. Okay. This is the plan shift software. I will go to this new and I will give a job code. This is 2525. Okay, then I will give you a description, Mora Intro. Then I will click next. Okay, then I will go to importance. Oh, where is it? Okay, important. Then I will go to QS software all-in-one. Then QS software all-in-one again. Study material, plan shift, looping, yeah, plan shift training. Then I will go to structural and architectural drawing and I will select these two drawings. Then I will go to MEP drawings also and I will click on this duct measurement and I will click next. Okay, then I will finish this. Then all the drawings will be imported to this software. Okay. So if you have any question, please feel free to ask. Could you please speak in English? Yes, sure. Extremely sorry for that. Okay. So 2-4. This is intro. Mora. Next, then this is importance. I will go C, C, D, E. Important. QS software all-in-one. QS software all-in-one. Study materials. Okay, then plan shift training. Okay, then after that, the structural and architecture. Okay. 2500 maybe. 250. Okay. I have heard that there are less opportunities for female quality surveyors in Middle East. Is that so? Actually, no. Few of my students already went this Dubai. I think your seniors, I think you might know this Chashani Nirasha. Yeah, she went recently, and one of my students from IQSSL Achini also went recently. So there are plenty of opportunities. Don't worry about it. Okay, so so if you have the courage, you can go. Okay, so I will help you. Okay, so if so, I have a very good student base in Dubai, so I can help you with the contacts. Okay, then you can easily go those countries and you can develop your careers very easily. Okay, so we have a few drawings here. Okay, now I will explain you about this PlanSwift software. Okay, many of your students think this PlanSwift software is very basic software. Okay, so I have quantity survey from University of Mora. I did very well in the my A levels. So this is very simple software. Why I need to learn this? Okay, so this is very easy, you know. Okay, so you think like that. Okay, but it is not true. Okay, so I will show you the easy part of this plans of software. So if you want to measure the area of this, first you have to scale. I will click on the scale. Then so yeah, this is non-distance. I will click scale. This is 2743. I will put 2.743 here. Okay, so this is very basic drawing. Actually, this is a scan PDF. Okay, I will scale like this. Then I will scale horizontally. I scale. Now I have to scale vertically as well. So this is my node length 3.860. I will click scale 3.860. Okay, so a lot of seniors from University of Mora already have been to Australia. So this UAE. Okay, I know Udeshika, one of my student, then Cheshana Nirasha, Achini Senadira, and one of my student from CCMPL, Gayatri, Kaumadi Gayatri also there. Okay, but you have to be courageous. Okay, so it is another experience. Okay, you have to, we can cut the kind of okay, you have to have ability to check challenges. Okay, okay, guys. Okay, then click on area. This is, I will rename this as bedroom. So this is the easy part of this software. I will click OK. Then I will measure this very easily. Okay. This is like eating cashew. Kaju kana again. I will click. Okay. So then I will right click and stop. Then right click again. Then I will click on show legend. Then you can see the quantity right here. Okay, so like that you can count elements by using this plan shift software. Click count. This is columns. Okay, I'll click OK. Okay, then I can count like this. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, then if you want to get linear measurement, okay, you can see wall length. Then you can click OK and measure the wall length very easily. Okay, and you can record all the quantities at the bottom of your drawing. Okay, so this is the easy part of this plan shift software. Everyone thinks, okay, this is plan shift software, anybody can do this. Okay, this is very easy, but I will explain the important part of this plan shift software. Okay, so this plan shift software is like coding software. Okay, so you are a very good quantity surveys, you have done very well in your A levels, and your numerical ability and your thinking ability is in the next level. Okay, so if you are a quantity surveyor, if you after you have enrolled to this course, you learn lot of things related to measurements, contract administration, and commercial management. Okay, so you will miss the thinking part. Okay, so that is a practical issue we are facing. Okay, but with this plan shift software you can improve your thinking ability, so this is the most important thing. Then I will show you. Okay, so this is very easy, no? Okay, now what is the challenge? Your challenge is to measure the formwork area. Okay, then sometimes we have to measure the ducts. Okay, so those are the challenges you have to face. Okay, how to overcome those challenges, I will show you how. Okay, I will go to this particular drawing. This one, not this one. I think it might be this one. Yeah. Okay, this one. So you can see some beams. Okay, so you can measure the concrete volume very easily by using this volume in cubic meter. Okay, so it can be done. Okay, but how to measure the formwork area? Okay, yes, you can measure the wall area twice, then soffit area once, then you can uh, get the summation of those areas, and then you can measure the quantity. Okay, but it is very inefficient. Okay, so with these measurement softwares you have to enhance the efficiency. Okay, how to do that? So you can easily create a template. Okay, you can create your own measurement by using this plan shift software. So this is the most important part of this plan shift software. I will show you how. I will go to templates, then I will click on this new tab, then I will rename this as um, form, sorry, Mora training, Mora templates. Okay, then I will click OK. Then I will click on this new linear, and I will rename this as formwork for beams. Then I will click OK. So this is the engineering part of this software. Okay, so you can create your own measurement. Okay, I will get the width of this beam. Okay, I will type width here. Then I will add that width to this software. Then height of the beam, HEIGST, height of the beam. Then I will add height to this software. Then length we can get from this takeoff. Then I will tick here, then I will change the units like this. Okay, then I will add another one. This is sectional length. Okay, length. This is the sectional length. I will click section length. Okay, and I will bring this up. Okay, then I will click on this form layout, and I will add some units to these guys. This sectional length. Okay, I will go to Google, then I will show you a section of beam formwork. Okay, so this is a section of a beam formwork. Okay, this is the height. Okay, and this is the soffit, and this is height again. Okay, so what is the formula? 2 into h. Okay, you have to multiply this height twice, and you have to add this soffit length. Okay, then you can get this sectional length. Okay, then after getting the sectional length, you have to multiply it with the beam length, then you can get the formwork area. Okay, this is very simple. Hence you are a student from University of Mora. I think you have understood this very easily. Okay, okay guys, then I will come back to my software. Okay, then I will click OK. Now I have to create the formula for this sectional length. I will create the formula. 2 into width plus, sorry, 2 into height, 2 into height plus width. So this is the sectional area. Unit is meters. Okay, then you have to multiply takeoff with this sectional length. Very simple. And this will be square meters. Okay, so this is the engineering part. Okay, now you can easily complete this. Okay, now I will click OK. So this is Mora template. Then I will go to my home. Then I have to scale this bad boy. Okay, this is 8.255, 8.255. Then click OK. Okay. Then you have to click on scale again. This is 12.192, 12.192. Then you can click OK. And here you go. Now we scaled this drawing. Now I will go to this template, Mora template. I will go down, down, down. Yes, Mora template. Then I will go to this formwork for beam. I have to put these. So this is I will get the quantity of this particular beam B1. So what is our width? It is 9 inches. Okay, 9 inches in the sense we have to multiply 25 into 9. Okay, this is 0.225. Okay, what is the height? 14 inches, 14 inches in the sense 300 millimeters. No, so no, yes, 250. Yeah, 0.350. No? Then I will click OK. Then I will measure here to here. Double click. So then I can right click stop, right click, show legend, and I can easily get the quantity. So this is the quantity. So like that, we can create templates for each and every element and we can quantify. Okay, so this is next level. So I will show you my lecture notes. Okay, then you can understand the importance of this learning. Okay, I will go to plans of training. So these are my comprehensive notes. Okay, I have explained everything in these notes. Okay, and Johan and other students know the value of these notes. Okay, I will under substructure, I will teach you removing trees, site clearance, site preparation, excavation, earthwork support, excavated surplus, and every element. Okay, then I will explain the construction process behind those functions, and this is very important. So see, excavation. What is the BOQ item? Excavation. Process, the pit excavation volume has to be considered. Use volume function. In volume function, depth has to be mentioned. Okay, all the process has clearly demonstrated in this lecture note. Okay, then after finishing this course, you can revise your memory very easily. Then I have create a special note for special features. Okay, if you want to connect Excel with this Planset software, you can follow this note very easily. Step 1, step 2. This is very special. Okay, so I will provide you all the lecture notes. Okay, then creating templates. Okay, so every function has been clearly mentioned in these notes. Okay, so this is about Planset. And I will show you interesting thing. Okay, so some student from my previous batch asked, previous introductory session asked about this wall measurement. Okay, how we can measure walls by using this Planset software. So this is very interesting. So so this is not for that. Okay, as you can see, first you have to create the template. You can put D1 quantity, height and width. Okay, then you can create the door summary. Okay, in this door summary, you have to multiply D1 quantity, D1 height and D1 width. Okay, then you can get the door summary. This is the total area of doors. Okay, so you can create D2, D3, D4. Likewise, you can create many doors. Then you can create many windows. Okay, then you can get that cumulative area. Okay, then simple formula. Wall length, you have to multiply with wall height, then you can get the wall area. Then you can uh, put minus and you can create a formula as door summary plus window summary. Okay, then you can get the cumulative area of your wall. Okay, so this is very interesting. And I have a separate system, pre-recorded video system. So you can enjoy this pre-recorded video system as well. Then you can get extra knowledge about these softwares. Okay, so this is a comprehensive course. Okay, මම ගොඩාක් මහන්සි වුණා මේ කෝස් එක ඩෙවලොප් කරන්න. මොකද මට මේක ඇත්තටම මේක ෆයිනෑන්ෂල් ගේන් එකකටත් වඩා මට ඕනේ ඩිජිටල් බ්‍රෑන්ඩ් එකක් ක්‍රියේට් කරන්න. දැන් මම ඕමාන වල ඉද්දි ගොඩාක් ඉන්නවා වෙන රටවල් වල quantity surveyorsලා. Okay, I want to create a new brand for Sri Lankan quantity surveys, because now you know lot of Sri Lankan quantity surveys struggling to find a job. Okay, earlier in 2010s 2012s, I think your batch ඔයාලගේ batches ගත්තොත් එම් 2010 2011 එහෙම මේ මම හිතන්නේ මම පෞද්ගලිකව දන්නවා මේ 2007 වගේ. මොකද අපිට නිල්මිනි තිරකරත්න කියන මොරටුවේ ලෙක්චරර් කෙනෙක් හිටියා. නිල්මිනි මැඩම් විතරයි ලංකාවේ හිටියේ. අනිත් ඔක්කොම රට. හරි, දැන් සිටුේෂන් එක වෙනස් නේද? හරි, මොකක්ද හේතුව? ඒකට උත්තර අපි හොයන්න ඕනේ. අපේ බ්‍රෑන්ඩ් එක වෙනස් කරන්න ඕනේ දැන්. හරි, ඉස්සර මොරටුව quantity surveyors ලගේ බ්‍රෑන්ඩ් එක කාලයත් එක්ක දැන් වෙනස් කරන්න ඕනේ ඩිජිටල් quantity surveyors ලා විදිහට. ඒකේ විශාල කාර්යභාරයක් හිරුමාල්ල බගේ කට්ටිය දැන් කරගෙන යනවා. ඔයාලතේ තමයි ඊළඟ යෂ්ටිය තියෙන්නේ. ඒකට අපි සූදානම් වෙන්න ඕනේ. So we have to be prepared for that. as Mora Tour quantity surveyors. So we have to create another brand for Mora Tour quantity surveyors to the sustainability of your job market. Okay, I think few years back, companies came from Middle East region and interview you inside the campus and give you jobs. Okay, now you have to find job by yourself. Okay, situation has changed. Again, you have to develop your careers. You have to create another brand. Okay, this is very important. Okay, so this is about plans if training, and I have pre-recorded video system. And if you contact to Ruchira or Achinta or Chapa, you can get more information about the process. And this is about plan shift. So this is a very interesting software. So you can engineer your measurements and then you can, after that you can measure. Okay, so this is like a coding software. Okay, that's why I love this software. Okay, so you will love this software after this course. And most importantly, as young quantity surveyors, don't not only think about jobs. Okay, so if you uh, following doing a job is like performing work of a lab rat. Okay, so ඔයාලා මේ ජොබ් එකක් කරනවායි කියලා කියන්නෙම ඔයාලගේ ජීවිතයේ සීමා වෙනවා. හරි, ඒක හොඳට තේරුම් ගන්න යම් කන්ඩිඩේට් සර්වේ කෙනෙක් විදිහට. හිතන්න ඔයා ජොබ් එකකට යනවා ලක්ෂයක. ඊට පස්සේ ඔයාලගේ වියදම් ඒ ලක්ෂයට සීමා වෙනවා. ඊට පස්සේ ඔයාලා මිඩල් ඊස්ට් ගිහින් ලක්ෂ 5ක් හොයනවා. ඊට පස්සේ ඔයාලා ලක්ෂ 5 හෙව්වට ඔයාලගේ එම්ප්ලොයි ඔයාගෙන් ලක්ෂ 20ක විතර වැඩ ගන්නවා. හරි, එතකොට ඔයාලගේ වියදම් කිරීමේ හැකියාව ලක්ෂ 5ට සීමා වෙනවා. ඊට පස්සේ ඔයාලා මිඩල් ඊස්ට් වල ඔයාලා හිතන් ඉන්න හරි ලක්ෂ 5 තමයි ලොකු ගාණ. මොකද අපිට ලක්ෂයි ලංකාවේ හම්බ වෙන්නේ. ඒක මාර ලොකු ගාණක්. ඒකෙන් අපිට මුළු ජීවිතේම කොට දාගත්ත කියලා. බට් ඔයා යුරෝපියන් කන්ට්‍රි එකකට ගියොත් එහෙනම් ඒකේ සාමාන්‍ය සැලරි ලක්ෂ 30ක් විතර. හරි. ඒක නිසා ඒකට රැවටෙන්න එපා. ඔයාලා ජොබ්ස් කරද්දි ඔයාලගේ ජීවිතේ නිදහස සීමා වෙනවා. ඔයාලගේ ජීවිතයේ ආතල් එක ගන්න පුළුවන් ජොබ් වල නිමාඩු තියෙන දවස් වල විතරයි. දැන් මිඩල් ඊස්ට් වැඩ කරොත් එහෙම අවුරුද්දකටම නිමාඩු එකක් විතර හම්බ වෙනවා මාසෙ සති දෙකක වගේ. හරි. එතකොට ඉතින් ලංකාවට ගිහිල්ලා ගෙදර අයත් එක්ක හිටියට පස්සේ ඔය සති දෙක ඉවරයි. හරි. එන්ජොයි කරන්න හම්බ වෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඔහොම අවුරුදු 5ක් 10ක් යනවා තමන්ම දන්නෙත් නැහැ. සල්ලි ගොඩ ගහගෙන ඉන්නවා. නමුත් වයසට යනවා. අන්තිමට මෙහෙ ගොඩක් කිව්වසලා වගේ heart attack එකදලා මැරලා යනවා. හරි. ඒක නිසා හිතන්න entrepreneurship. හරි. කවදා හරි හිතන්න බිස්නස් එකක් පටන් ගන්නවා කියලා. තමන් වැඩ කරන්න එපා බොරුවට මේ මැරෙනකන්. හරි. වෙන කට්ටිය ධම්මල වැඩ කරන්න හිතන්න. හරි. ඒක නිසා think about business. So I'm telling to every of my students, okay, start start your day at 5 a.m. okay, then spend half an hour to thinking about a business, to think about new idea. Okay, then slowly implement that idea and convert it to a business. Okay, so I have started my first business in 2019, Smart Builders, and I have completed 2 small projects, and then I went to Viparanthania for this highway construction and I lost all the money I had. Then I came back to my hometown. Then I went to Kivsav, Qatar, and start quantity surveying career again. Then link engineering. Then after that, CCS private limited, and have become this country manager. Then after having that experience, okay, I converted that experience into a business. Then I have started this Techno Saka City Private Limited. Then I have been doing this beam with Revit and Visuals course, then QA software, even SketchUp course, then because 5D beam software. Luckily, I have become the regional representative of this because 5D beam software, so I can resell this because software in Oman. Recently, I have involved in a mega construction project in Oman, tourism development project. So I did the preliminary estimation and preparation of BOQ. So like that, I slowly and gradually develop my career, develop my business. Okay, so now I have plenty of free time, so I can help my students. I can help them to do their research. I can teach them. If you message me anytime, so I can reply and I can guide you. Okay, so think about this. Okay, don't so focus on your career. So it is very important. Okay, start a career and develop your career use that knowledge to implement a business. This is very important. Okay. Then I will explain to you about prestigious cost tech software. This is very important. Okay. Hari. වෙලාව යනවා තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ නේද? Okay. Hari. අපි බලමු. Okay, so this is I'll start with the superstructure part. Okay, so I will explain you all the superstructure elements. Okay, in this course. So you can see. So this is beam of concrete. So this is Costech software. I will give you a brief introduction about this Costech software with this example. Okay, I think if I get this, yeah, beam is the beam formwork. I will get this beam formwork. Okay, now you can see this beam formwork. Okay. Now, please observe very carefully. Okay, you can see the quantity here and you can see the markup drawing here. If I select this quantity and delete this quantity, okay, see, this is 57.14 and I will click yes. Okay, it has reduced to 55.12. So you can see your quantity with your measurement. While you measure, you can see the quantity. If I click here, quantity has changed. Okay, so this is a very important thing. Of this Costech software, and if you go to this dimension, you can get the quantity separately. Okay, if you click on this quantity, you can highlight this quantity here. Okay, so this is very important part of this Costech software. And if you start a new measurement, I will go to dimensions and click add, and I will start a new dimension group. I will rename this as area. Okay, so this is area. Okay, see, when I measure the quantity, I can see the quantity here. Okay, then this is 9.15. Okay, now this is 18.95. So like that, you can live update your quantities. Okay, so this is very important. And the other part is, if you click here, I will go to this ground floor. Yeah. Okay, you can see the quantity in the 3D view. Okay, so this is also very, very important. Okay, so you can see your quantity in a 3D scenario. Okay, so this is the ground floor and this is top beams. Okay, then you can understand your quantities better. Okay, so this is also very important. I will cover everything related to this superstructure. So if you are I think recently Demica's batch out. Okay, now they are waiting for the transcript. Okay, once you get the transcript, with the transcript, you please leave the country. Okay, please go Dubai, Saudi, and my student this I can't Piru Maruhan went Saudi. Now he is seeking for a job. So I have personal contact with Mr. Samira Pereira, the country manager of Saudi QSO Qatar, and I have given his number to Maruhan. Maybe he will get a job. Okay, then Roy Lasanta, the community president of the community club Oman, he also went Saudi recently. Mr. Roy Lasanta, also very good friend of mine, so I have given his contact also. So hopefully Maruhan will find a job. He's very good student and very humble person. I have met him personally. He went with Dinujan to my office and got the cubicle certificate from mine. So all the students are very good from University of Mora. I have very good personal relationships with them, especially this Tarind Priyankar, also one of my student, and he's a successor of mine at CCS Private Limited. He is also very good, very humble person, and Sasanga, and I have huge number of students from University of Mora. Okay, so this is about superstructure. Okay, then I will show you the architectural part. Okay, so this is very important. Architectural measurement is very, very important. So as you can see, this is my architectural drawing. Then I will go to wall. Okay. So most of people think that this architecture measurement is very easy. Okay, but it will take a lot of time. Okay, in this course, you will learn all the easy methods to quantify architectural building. Okay, so not only uh, the functions, but also you will learn easy methods, because I learned these easy methods by myself. Okay, when I was a training quantity surveyor at Texas Engineering, I had this free version of Costex software education license. Okay, now they are charging $15 or something, but in 2019 I got that license for free. Then I have introduced that Costex software for access engineering construction team. Okay, at that time they are tendering also doing by the site quantity survey. So famous Apple Water project came to access engineering. So it is a design and build project. So I take off all the structural and architectural quantities by using this Costex software. Then I have created a booklet of those measurements. Whenever I go for an interview, I bring that booklet. Okay, luckily all the quantity surveys, including Chad Q, impressed about that booklet and give me the job. So that is small thinking. Okay, so small thinking can change your life forever. Okay, so thinking is very, very important. So we are in busy life and we think about our course modules and we think about our job. Okay, we don't spend time to think. Okay, get up 5 a.m. early in the morning and spend 15 hours for your physical exercise, then another 15 minutes for your physical exercise, then 15 minutes for meditation, then another spend another 15 minutes for think about your future. Okay, lot of ideas will come to your mind. Okay, then take one idea and convert it to a business. Okay, then you can have the freedom of your life. Okay, recently I watched a video in YouTube. Okay, that person started a construction company. So for the vacation he go to Norway and do this skating thing. Okay, now he has become a skating coach in America. Okay, so he's a very good fellow. Okay, so this is about architectural measurement. So in this course, I will teach you how to create a BOQ in a prolific manner. So if I go to this test one, okay, I can see this quantity. So I will show you how to create a BOQ. You can go to this print workbook report. Okay, so this is a BOQ I have prepared earlier. I will click on this Australian BOQ. Then Australian අපි ගමු ලංකාව එක. BOQ in Sunday class. Okay, then I will click on edit. Then I will click on preview. So in this course, you will learn how to prepare a proper BOQ from this Costex software. Okay, so this is a BOQ I have prepared for this Sri Lankan batch. Okay, so this is very important. Okay. So this is about architectural measurement. Then I will show you reinforcement. Okay, I will cover the reinforcement part also. Most of the lecturers and most of the educators don't cover this reinforcement part. Okay, this is little bit difficult, but I will cover this reinforcement part also. This will be very, very important. So after going to your job, you can show your talents to your recruiters with this. Okay, so it is very important when you obtain a job in Dubai. Okay, if you can show your talent to your recruiters and your top managers, okay, then they will impress about you. Then they will give you salary raises and you can develop a very good career in those companies. Okay, especially now there are a lot of job opportunities available in Saudi Arabia. Okay, please focus on that. Create your LinkedIn profile properly. So I have created separate video for LinkedIn. So I will share it with you all. Then you can go through it and then you can uh, create your LinkedIn profile properly. Then you can be prepared for future job opportunities. Okay, so this is about reinforcement measurement. So I will cover this reinforcement part in this course as well. Then we have another software, famous Bluebeam Preview. Okay, This is very important. Okay. ඇත්තටම මම ගොඩාක් සන්තෝෂ වෙනවා මෙතන ඉන්න 34 ගැන. හරි. ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයාලට ඇත්තටම කරේජ් එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ මිඩල් ඊස්ට් ගිහිල්ලා කට්ට කාලා ජොබ් එකක් හොයාගන්න පුළුවන් තරම් කරේජ් එකක් තියෙන සෙට් එකක්. ගොඩක් සතුටුයි. මොකද ගොඩක් කට්ටියට මේ අර මේ ස්ට්‍රෙන්ත් එක නැහැ. ඒ කියන්නේ අල්ලන් ඉන්න ස්ට්‍රෙන්ත් එක කියලා අපි කියන්නේ. හරි. දැන් බිස්නස් එකක් පටන් ගත්තත් මාසෙන් දෙකෙන් බිස්නස් එක අහපව අපිට මොනවා හරි ආවේ නැත්නම් අපිට හරි එන ඉන්කම් එකක් ආව නැත්නම් අපි අතහැරලා දානවා. නමුත් අපිට කට්ට කාලා අල්ලගෙන ඉන්න පුළුවන් නම් අවුරුද්දක් විතර හිතාගන්න බැරි විදිහට බිස්නස් එක ඩෙවලොප් කරගන්න පුළුවන්. හරි. ඒක නිසා මම මේ 34 ගැන ඉතාම සතුටු වෙනවා. අන්තිම වෙනකන් කට්ට කාලා හිටපු 34 හරි. පට්ට. හරි. හොඳ අනාගතයක් තියෙයි වලට. හරි. දැන් මම ගොඩාක් US ලව ට්‍රේන් කරලා තියෙනවානේ. 1500ක් විතර. හරි. එතකොට මට තේරෙනවා දැක්කහම මට කතා කරාම විනාඩියක් කතා කරලා මට කියන්න පුළුවන් හරි මේ වගේ කෙනෙක් යාර හොඳ කැරියර් එකක් තියෙනවා එම් කියන මට ඇත්තටම පොඩක් දැන් කියන්න පුළුවන් මොකද මිනිස්සු ගොඩාක් එක්ක මම අර ඉන්ටරැක්ට් වෙලා තියෙන නිසා ඉතාලම සන්තෝෂයි okay very good okay I will go to this structural drawing okay so this is amazing drawing okay so this Bluebeam review software is a very interesting software okay you can see okay I will do some tricks with this Bluebeam review software okay so this will be very interesting. Can you see this 1-1 section? Okay, but I don't have the sectional detail of this 1-1 section. How I can get that sectional detail? So this is a PDF drawing. I can't get this 1-1 section here because I have to go here and see the 1-1 section. Then I have to come back here. Then I have to measure again. So it is very difficult. Okay. I quantity surveys ලැබුණාට පස්සේ අපි කම්මැලි වෙන්න ඕනේ. හරි? So we have to become lazy. Okay, then only we can find innovative methods. Okay, so I will go here and I will select this bad boy like this. Then I will go here and I will press Control V. Okay, so this is my section. Now I can see the section and I can measure. So this is Bluebeam preview software for you. So if you want to delete anything, so I don't want to this tag here because if this company know this, they will banish me. Then I will click on this cut content and immediately cut කරලා දානවා. Okay, so you can get rid of this very easily. So there are plenty of options available in this Bluebeam preview software. So you can mark up a drawing by using this Bluebeam preview software. So I will go here. So if I want to change this B, I can press C and create a cloud like this. Then if I want to have arrow, I will press A. Then I have arrow like this. If I want to type something, I will press T. Then I will type something, change this. Okay. This is very interesting. No? Yes. Okay. Now I will explain the measurement part. Okay. Measurement part is very easy. So I go here and if I want to measure this wall area, okay, I can easily do it. I will go to tools and click on measure. Then I will click on length. Okay, then I will go here and label this as wall. Then I will go here units. Then I will give the depth as 3 meters. Then length will be meters, area will be square meters. Okay, then I can easily measure this. Okay. So after measuring this wall, you can have the quantity here. So this is wall area. It is square meter. So this is a comprehensive measurement sheet. So you can use this Bluebeam review software efficiently and effectively in construction projects. Especially you can synchronize this Bluebeam review software with Excel software. Then when you measure here, your quantities will be automatically recorded in the Excel sheet. So I will teach you all those things in the interactive training session. So this is about Bluebeam review software. Okay, now it is time. I think it is 10:30 in Sri Lanka. No, නිදිමතද නැහැ නේද? හරි. අපි විශේෂයෙන් එක පටන් ගත්තේ 7:00ට දැන් 9යි. හරි. හරි. අපි දැන් අන්තිම ටික කතා කරමු සෙෂන් එකේ. හරි දැන් ඔයාලා softwares ගැන හොඳ අවබෝධයක් ලබා ගත්තා. So this is for your future. Okay. Now concentrate and listen very carefully. This will change your life. Okay. So this is my final presentation. Okay. You have to think about this. Okay. This is very important. Okay, please listen very carefully. This is the motivation you will need for your future. Okay, why learning digitalization is important for quantity surveys? Be prepared for future challenges. Okay, so with this financial crisis and other uh, difficulties, quantity surveys and construction professionals is struggling in the construction industry. Okay, there are no job opportunities in Sri Lanka. Okay, only consultancy jobs available in Sri Lanka. Okay, all the consultancy firms now doing foreign jobs. Uh, Jobs in Saudi Arabia, UK, New Zealand, Australia. Okay, so there are very few job opportunities available in Sri Lanka, especially uh, you have to go to Middle East region and Saudi Arabia, Oman, Qatar. Okay, then you have to find a job and you have to earn money. Then you have to develop a career. You have to save some money. Then you have to go to Europe and you have to get a citizenship. So it is very, very important. It is very important for the future of your family as well. In order to do that, you have to prepare yourself. You have to, you have been able to face those challenges, so you have to have have certain kind of tools to face those challenges. Okay, therefore it is very important to learn these digital technologies because world is moving with the digitalization. If you want to survive in the future construction industry, you have to adapt to these digital technologies. Then go abroad for profession. So if you're willing to go abroad for profession, you have to be prepared. You have to have some armory. So you have to have some tools with you. Okay, so with this knowledge you can go abroad confidently and you can get a job very easily. Then APC interviews. Recently one of my student from Oman, Mr. Chulendra Aruna, you can check his LinkedIn. Recently, he has got his chartership. Okay, and Chartered Accountant Suranga Jayasena is the interviewer. So he has asked a lot of questions about digitalization, especially building information modeling, and Chulendra answered those questions with confidence. Okay, so because of that, Chulendra has been able to pass that APC interview at the first time. Then now he has become a chartered accountant surveyor. So for APC interview is also very important. Then start a new business. You must start a new business. Okay. If you want to achieve your dreams, you have to start a business. Okay. You can start with Fiverr. You can start with Upwork. Okay. There are plenty of opportunities available in the world. Okay. You have to just sit back, relax, and think. Okay. Then start a business and develop that business and achieve your dreams. Travel the world. Okay. නිකන් මේ Facebook එකේ WhatsApp status වල මගේ dream එක පිටරට යන ලෝකෙම travel කරන එක එහෙම කියලා දැම්මට වැඩක් නැහැ. Okay, so it is a theory actually. Okay, ඒක තියරි එකක්. ඒ කියන්නේ ගොඩක් කට්ටිය තමයි ගෝල් එක ගැන තමයි ફોකස් කරන්නේ. හරි. හැබැයි අපි ફોකස් කරන්න ඕනේ ගෝල් එකට යන සිස්ටම් එක. හරි. මම ඔයාලට ෂෙයා කරන්නම් මේ සෙෂන්ස් යද්දි. මම LinkedIn එකේ මම ට්‍රාන්ස්ලේට් කරනවා Atomic Habit කියලා පොතක් තියෙනවා. ඒක මම සිංහලට ට්‍රාන්ස්ලේට් කරනවා. ඒක මම ඔයාලට දෙන්නම්. මේ Atomic Habit එකේ තියෙන තියරි එකක් ඒක. අපි ගෝල් එක නෙමෙයි ફોකස් කරන්න ඕනේ තියරි එක. හරි. දැන් අපේ ගෝල් එක අපේ ඇඟ අඩු කරගන්න එක නම් හරි. අපි අම්මට සිරිමං ඇඟ අඩු කරගන්නවා ජිම් එක ජිම් වීඩියෝ බල බල එහෙම ඉඳලා වැඩක් නැහැ. හරි. Taman නිදා ගන්න කලින් තමන්ගේ රනින් ෂූස් දෙක රනින් බොටම් එක තමන්ගේ හෙඩ්සෙට් එක රෙඩි කරලා තියන්න. හරි. ඊට පස්සේ ඇහැරුණාට පස්සේ ඒක තමයි සිස්ටම් එක. තමන්ට තියෙන ෂූස් දෙක දාගෙන කලිසම දාගෙන හෙඩ්සෙට් එක දාගෙන දුවන්න විතරයි. ඊට පස්සේ ඔයාලට මේ සිස්ටම් එකෙන් ඔයාලගේ ඇඟ අඩු කරගන්න එක කරගන්න පුළුවන්. හරි. ඒ වගේ දේවල් තේරුම් ගන්න හොඳයි. Okay, to start a new business. This is very important. Then go abroad for higher education. Okay, so if you are a student of University of Porto, if you have maintained your GPA above 3.7, okay, there are plenty of opportunities for you to get a scholarship in New Zealand, Australia, UK, Canada. Okay, then you can go there and you can start your higher education. Okay, and Archana from PhD student from Hong Kong. Okay, she also contacted me to learn this cost text, Revit, and Kibikos from me. Okay, so if you're willing to go abroad for higher education, these softwares will be very, very valuable. Okay, then this is very important. Okay, future of quantity survey. Okay, you can see in this picture, you can see the metaverse, the new concept of introduced by Facebook company. Okay, now we using Facebook now. I will explain a little bit about this metaverse. This is very interesting concept. Okay, in this metaverse you can maintain a different character. So think I think I will get an example from you. See, there Rashmi is a girl in Sri Lanka. Okay, after going to this metaverse, she can become superwoman. Okay, so you can maintain another character in metaverse. So this is a concept introduced by the Facebook company. So in this metaverse, you can maintain different character, and a lot of UI designers and graphic designers now designing the component of this metaverse. Okay, so it will be a very interesting experience for you all. Then you can have sensors and these virtual glass, and you can enter into this metaverse, and you can maintain your character in this metaverse. This is a very advanced concept. Okay, so this is the technology. Okay, so now I think Elon Musk developing a female robot for his wife. So now technology developing day by day. Okay, as quantity surveys, we have to merge with these technologies. Okay, then only we can survive in the future in the industries. So this is the NEOM project, upcoming mega scale project in Saudi. If you want to obtain job opportunities in this NEOM project, you have to be prepared as a digital quantity surveyor. So technologies like hologram technology and building information modeling, drone technology, lot of technologies used in this NEOM project. So if you go to YouTube, you can see a lot of information about this NEOM project, their water management system, their cultivation system. So it is very interesting. Okay, if you want to obtain a job in this NEOM project, you have to be prepared. And this is the Ring project in Dubai. They will definitely use these digital software for their estimation for this Ring project. And this is Australian Olympic project. Okay, there will be a lot of opportunities for construction professionals in future in Australia. Uh, Recently, one of my uh, friend from Oman went Australia. He is a veteran quantity surveyor from Carolina Navy, and I think within 2 years he can get the PR as well, PMR Soisa. Okay, now they are Australian companies seeking for construction professionals. They are going through LinkedIn profiles and offering jobs. Okay, the PMR got his job from LinkedIn. That's why I repeatedly telling you, please create your LinkedIn profile properly. Okay, please do that. Okay, then you will have a lot of opportunities. I got all 3 jobs because of the LinkedIn. Okay, and this is our prestigious sport city project. Okay, so this is so I have high hope of this sport city project. If they implement this sport city project, that will be a game changer. And this is also very important. I'm big fan of mindfulness. Okay, many people thinks if you want to practice mindfulness, you have to sit back, relax, and focus on your breath. Okay, but while walking, while talking, while singing, you can do mindfulness. Okay, you have to just focus on your action. Okay, that is mindfulness. I think this is very important for quantity surveys, because quantity surveys dealing with figures and cost related activities whole day. Okay, if they want to focus more, they have to practice mindfulness. So this is very important. And as a quantity surveys, you have to think out of the box. Okay, you have to overcome professional boundaries. You have to seeking for more opportunities. So don't think like, so I'm a quantity surveyor, I can't become a chef. Don't think like that. Okay, overcome professional boundaries. Okay, then you can become the person you want. Otherwise, you will be limited. Okay, so engage with the technology is also very important. If you are a quantity survey, you have to uh, get familiar with the technology. So this is a smart building concept, and this is a robotic technology. So I have followed this DP education, this coding program, and I have learned coding from that. So I use that knowledge to develop my resume website. Okay, bootstrap technology, and basic coding helped me to develop my resume website. So you have to think about it. Okay, please overcome the profession boundaries. And you can see, if you want to be a better content researcher, you have to learn these digital softwares, Revit, SketchUp, ArchiCAD, this cost expansive routine. Okay, there are plenty of softwares available in the construction industry. You have to learn those softwares in order to become a better content researcher in future. And this is one of work from my student, Mr. Dushan Costa. So I have given this task to him, create this building. I think he did very well. He learned SketchUp software from the bottom, then Lumion software, then he worked so hard and create this amazing building. Okay, then I have forced him to do Fiverr, Upwork, and freelancer. So think about this. If you are a university student, you can earn extra money out of this. So I have one friend from University of Porto. He is software engineering student, Tarindu Suraj. Now he has become very popular person. He has started the robotic company in Sri Lanka. I think you know this person, Tarindu Suraj. He is my schoolmate. Okay, he did Fiverr during his uh, university life. Okay, and my girlfriend also doing Fiverr. Last month she earned more than $1,000. So I can help you to create this Fiverr account, and then I can guide you to earn money from Fiverr. So this is also very important. Then uh, having knowledge is not enough. You have to market your knowledge. Okay, LinkedIn is the best platform to market your skill. So please create a proper LinkedIn profile. Then you can market your skill very easily. Then please create a proper resume. If you can join this DOS Master Club, you can improve your speaking ability. So this is very, very important. So develop yourself. Okay, merge with the digitalization, learn these softwares. Then you will have opportunities. So with that, I would like to conclude this introductory session. I hope you have enjoyed every bit of it, and you have gained a lot of knowledge out of this. So uh, if you have any question, please feel free to ask. Okay. ඔයාලා ගොඩක් හොඳයි දරාගෙන හිටියා කියනකම් මම හිතනවා ඔයාලා කෝස් එකට ජොයින් වෙලා වැඩේ කරගන්න කියලා. මොකද මේක වැදගත් වෙන්නේ මම මොරටුවට වෙනම කෝස් එකක් ඩිසයින් කරා. මගේ සාමාන්‍ය කෝස් ෆී එක යන්නේ මිඩල් ඊස්ට් වලට මම කරන්නේ 30,000 වලට. ඊට පස්සේ මගේ normal කෝස් ෆී එක යන්නේ 25,000 වලට. බට් මම ඩිසයිඩ් කරා මොරටුවට මේක 22 වලට කරන්න. මොකද මේ යුනිවර්සිටි ස්ටුඩන්ට්ස්ලා නිසා. එතකොට ඔයාලට මේ ඔෆර් එක ගන්න පුළුවන් මේ වතාවේ. එතකොට මම කෝස් එක ස්ටාර්ට් කරනවා. ඔයාලගේ ෆයිනල් ඉයර්ස් ලගේ ෆයිනල් එක්සෑම්ස් ඉවර වුණාට පස්සේ එතකොට මේ ඔයාලට කරන්න පුළුවන්. මම මේක වෙනම ඒ කියන්නේ මම කලින් කෝසස් කරා වගේ නෙමෙයි මේක කරන්නේ. මම වෙන විදිහකට තමයි ඔයාලට ඩිලිවර් කරන්නේ. මොකද යුනිවර්සිටි ස්ටුඩන්ට්ස් නිසා. මොකද ඔයාලා ගොඩක් මේකත් එක්ක ඉස්සරහට යන්න ඕන නිසා. So I have designed this course for especially for University of Moroto students. So you are university students. I want to finish this as quick as possible, because your fourth year students will get the degree transcript within 2 weeks. Okay, after that they have to apply for job opportunities. Before that they have to finish all these courses. Okay, so I will do classes 2 days per week. Okay, I will do one class on Sunday night. Then other class I will do on Thursday night. So then you can join for those interactive trainings, and you can obtain knowledge, and you can become a better quantity surveyor. So you can go to Middle East market with confidence. So I think this will change your career forever. Okay, so if you have any question, please feel free to ask. Okay. So don't worry about this course. I have trained more than 320 students up to now. So I have trained a lot of quantity surveyors from University of Morocco as well, Johan Madusha and Achinta Vasam Bimukti and Dilshan Velikalage, Achinta. So I have trained a lot of this Maruhan. Okay. And I have, I think up to now I have trained more than 400 quality surveyors from University of Mora altogether. QB cost, Bluebeam, QA software, and Revit, SketchUp, all together. So if you have any question, please feel free to ask. ඔයාලට මොනවා හරි ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා සිංහලෙන් වුණත් අහන්න. හරි. I will use both of the languages during the training, especially English. Okay, I will more focus on English. Okay, then I will explain things in Sinhala as well, time to time. Because this is very important. Okay, ඔයාලට දැන් තේරෙන්නේ නැති වෙයි මේකේ importance එක. සමහර විට ඔයාලා විජිලිස් ගිහිල්ලා ටීවී එකට ෆේස් කරාම සමහර විට ඔයාලට තේරෙන්න පුළුවන් මේක වැදගත්කම. දැන් මට ඒක කිව්වේ මේ පසන් හපුවාච්චි කියලා මගේ KD ස්ටුඩන්ට් කෙනෙක්. මොකද එයා plan shift එක කරලා CCMPL එකෙන් plan shift එකෙන් project එකක් තනියම කරලා එයාගේ සර්ට පෙන්නලා මේ නිශාන්ත සර්ත් appreciate කරලා ඊට මට එයා කිව්වා එයා මේ China Railway එක ඉන්ටර්විව් එක තිබිලා තියෙන මම ඒවත් කියන්නම් ඔයාලට ඒවත් වැදගත් ඉන්ටර්විව් එක තිබිලා තියෙන්නේ ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයාලා පොඩි කම්පැනි ඉන්දියන් වගේ කම්පැනි එකකට ගියොත් එහෙනම් මිඩල් ඊස්ට් වල ඒ කට්ටිය ගොඩක් හාරලා අහනවලු හරි ඒ වුණාට China Railway වගේ ලොකු කම්පැනි එකකට ගියොත් එහෙනම් කම්පියුටර්ස් ටිකක් දාලා තියෙනවලු ඔයාලා වෙතෙන්ට යවනවලු ඩිමොන්ස්ට්‍රේට් කරලා පෙන්නන්න කියනවලු software එකෙන් වැඩ කරනවා. ඊට පස්සේ යාලා නෝට් කරගන්නවා හරි. මෙයාට plan sheet පුළුවන්. හරි මෙයාට cost text පුළුවන්. හරි. මෙයාට PB cost පුළුවන්. හරි. කියලා නෝට් ටික දාගන්නවලු. ඊට පස්සේ ජොබ් එක දෙනවලු පටස් ගාලා. එයාගේ තමයි. ඒ කියන්නේ එක ස්ට්‍රැටජිස් තියෙනවා. හිරුමාල් එහෙම ගොඩක් මහන්සි වුණා ජොබ් එකක් ගන්න. එයා LinkedIn එක හරියට හදාගෙන ඊට පස්සේ Revit වලට වෙනම ලෑස් වෙලා එහෙන ගේමක් ගැහුවා. Okay, so if you have any question, please feel free to ask. හිරුමාල්ව අපිට පුළුවන් මේ සමහර විට සෙෂන් එකකට ගන්න මම හිරුමාල්ට මැසේජ් එකක් දාන්න එයා තාම වැඩ කියලා කිව්වා. ඒකට එයාට කියන්න පුළුවන් මේ ඔයාලා මේ එයා ආවේ නැත්නම් ඔයාලා එයාගේ පර්සනලිත් අහන්න කොච්චර එක්ස්ටෙන්ට් එකකට මේ කොස්ට් එක්ස් එක යූස් වෙනවද කියලා කියෝ එකේ. කියෝ කියලා කියන්නේ දුබයි වල තියෙන ලොකු කම්පැනි එකක්. So if you have any question, please feel free to ask. Ask questions, guys. Then only you can. I don't know. So, what do you think about this demonstration? Did you like it? Total cost is 2,000. Yes, as you said before. How much do we need to pay initially? Yeah, you need to pay 11,000 initially. So in this cost text, yeah, after finishing this course, you can join for my key because 5 weeks of training and learn building information modeling as well. This course is especially for Costex, Bluebeam Preview and Plan Shift. Under Costex, I will teach a little bit about Beam because you can take quantities of building information model by using Costex software. It's a very good question. Thank you very much for Nilushan for that particular question. What about others? Do we get access to these softwares from personal electricity? Yeah. I will keep you crack versions. Don't tell anyone, okay? Actually, you can get more information from your colleagues. Okay, if you are a third year student, you can contact this Ruchiri Lakma. And if you're fourth year student, you can contact Himasha, Johan Madhusha, and yes. So you have very good student. I can't remember her name. Achi, can't remember. Ishini Saparamadu. Okay, very good student of mine. And we had very lengthy discussions about business and the innovation of technology, and she won award or something, and told me that our conversations helped her a lot. He is very good student. When are you planning to start the class? Just after uh, the exams, okay? කවුරු හරි මට කියන්න පුළුවන්ද ඔයාලගේ කියන්නේ ෆයිනල් ඉයර්ස් ලට එක්සෑම් ඉවර වෙන්නේ කවදද කියලා ඔයාලගේ ෆයිනල් ඉයර් කවුරු හරි ඉන්නවා නම් විසි දෙක මං හිතන්නේ ඒකට ඉවරයි. ඒ කියන්නේ මම පුළුවන් තරම් ඉක්මනට වැඩේ කරන්න කරලා ඉවර කරන්න බැලුවා. ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයාලට පුළුවන් නම් පැය 4ක් වගේ ඉන්න මාත් එක්ක සෙෂන් එකක. ඒකට මට ඉක්මනට මේක කරලා දෙන්න පුළුවන්. එතකොට ඔයාලට ජොබ් වලට යද්දි ලේසි වෙයි. Okay. So if you have any question, please feel free to ask. ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න. Yes. Guys, any more questions? So, what do you think about this demonstration? Did you like it? Any idea from anyone? Sachitra? Come on, guys. You can type a direct message to me, okay? Damita, Himasha, Lihini. Okay. Okay, guys. So with that, I'd like to conclude this demonstration and thank you very much for your kind participation, actually. So you guys are very good and thank you very much for your kind participation. I hope you will join this lecture series and develop as a quantity survey. So it is very, very important for your future careers. And Devika will create a group. You can join for that group. I will create a separate group for your campus. Okay, then I will share the information, share all the information to that group. Okay, then after the payment, I will create another group. Then we will start 22nd of June, most probably. I will check. කවුරු හරි දන්නා නම් මට පොඩක් කියනවාද ඒ කියන්නේ ඒකට එක්සෑම් ඉවර වෙන්නේ කවදද කියලා යොහන් 22 නේද anyone 22nd yes okay ඉතින් බලමු අපි 22 වගේ පටන් ගමු එතකොට ඒකට ට්‍රේන් වෙලා වැඩේ කරගන්න පුළුවන් මොකද ඒ කට්ටියලත් ගොඩක් වැදගත් මොකද ඒ කට්ටිය ඊළඟට අවුට් වෙන්න ඉන්න බැච් එක මේ ගොඩක් වැදගත් දෙන්නේ කියලා බැච් එකක okay so and young කට්ටියට ගොඩක් වැදගත් ඔයාලට මේක කරගෙන ඊට පස්සේ building information modeling එකට යන්න පුළුවන් ගිහිල්ලා ඔක්කොම finish කරගෙන ඉන්න පුළුවන් ඉන්ඩස්ට්‍රි එකට එද්දි හරි ඉන්ඩස්ට්‍රි එකට එද්දි හොඳට මේ ටික හදාගෙන ඉන්න LinkedIn එක හරියට හදාගෙන CV එක හරියට හදාගෙන qualifications ටික අරගෙන එන්න qualifications ටික හදාගෙන එන්න එතකොට ඔයාලට job එකක් ගන්න එක ලොකු අමාරුවක් වෙන්නේ නැහැ this is a good demonstration for us thank you very much Nilusha and have a wonderful week ahead and good night so I am from University College of Anuradhapura yes you can join it's okay you can join and I need to have these kind of students because University College of Anuradhapura so because this is for you guys okay මට දැන් මේ course එක අර ටිබෙට් campus එක වගේ campus කරන cost එක 54000ට ඇත්තටම ළමයින්ට මේව දරා ගන්න පුළුවන් okay can university student afford that amount of that amount of money, 54,000. Okay, then can they follow that course and get that qualification and go abroad and earn money? Okay, it is very unfair for especially for Sri Lankan quality servers. So we have to give this knowledge and we have to create another brand. Actually, I designed this course to help students, okay, especially students in uh, university colleges and technical colleges. I have trained one student, a lecturer from University College Technical NVQ Technical College Ratmalana, and she told me that they are struggling with their lives. So they do small jobs and then they follow that particular course. Then they do separate jobs at night and some money. So it is very difficult for them. Okay, so if they have this knowledge, they can go abroad and they can earn money and they can help their families. Okay, so I have especially designed this course for university students and those who lost their jobs due to this financial crisis, especially university students. Okay, I hope you will get full out of this and develop your career and become a better content server in future. Uh, Thank you very much for your kind participation for this particular session. I hope you have gained a lot of knowledge from this session. And with that, I would like to conclude today's session. And thank you very much again for your participation. We will meet in another session. Thank you very much, sir. Your sharing and thoughts were very encourageous. Willing to join with you and find a even better future. Yes, thank you very much, Ushara. And it is very good comment. I hope you will join for this meeting, these interactive training sessions and develop your career and think about business, guys. Okay, this is must. Okay, හෙට ඉඳන් උදේ 5ට නැගිටින්න. හරි, 15ක් විනාඩි 15ක් එක්සර්සයිස් කරන්න, විනාඩි 15ක් මෙඩිටේට් කරන්න, විනාඩි 15ක් අනාගතය ගැන හිතන්න. එහෙනම් අපි ආයෙ සෙෂන් එකකින් හම්බෙමු. Okay, good night and have a wonderful week ahead. Bye bye.